In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a design table to scale this part. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save my part as a scaled version. I'm only doing that so that if I mess up on what I'm doing here, I don't mess up the original file. So I'm going to use a design table, and the way to do that is to go to the Insert tab here and type Tables, or click Tables and then Design Table, and you're going to see I have these options here on the left, and I'm just going to take the default. There's lots of options I could choose, but the default's going to be fine for us here. What's going to happen here is that Excel opens up and I get an option to import all of the parts parameters, which have special names here, and I'm going to import them all. And as I do that, they come into Excel, which is embedded in SolidWorks at this point. Then I can see that up at the top there I have all of the parameters, and then in row 1 I have all the current values, and I can create another row called 10x scale here, and I can use the basic Excel mathematical functions. I'm just going to multiply the value in row 3 times 10, and I carry that all the way across. And when I do that, then I just created a new configuration, a 10x configuration. Now if I just click outside of this, it'll automatically save, and I go back into SolidWorks and it's telling me that I have a new configuration that it's recognizing. I'm going to tell it I want that. Then I'm going to go over to this tab here, which is the Configurations Manager. As I do that, I see there are a couple of configurations, the default configuration and the 10x configuration. If I click on the 10x configuration, you can see that now I have that new part in there, which at least appears to be bigger. What we can do though is we can go verify this by reloading the default, which should be down on the order of 1, 2, and 3 millimeters. Here's 1, 3 millimeters. Yep, that's good. Now if I go back to the manager and put in the 10x version and do the same, I see that indeed it's bigger there with 10 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 20 millimeters, and so on. So that's how you scale the part using Design Table, and that's it.